Hello and welcome. This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited. In this video tutorial we will learn that how to add neon effect to this PowerPoint text. You can also apply the same technique either you are working with a text box in Microsoft Word or Excel. So let's get started and learn that how the neon effect can be made in PowerPoint. So this is a simple text box and I have written my name Rahim Zulfikar Ali. The first step is to click on Format tab, click on Text Effects and select the glow category, and within this glow variations select the color you want. Let's say I am picking the blue color. Okay, next step is click on this text outline option and select the same color, which is blue. The third step is right click on this text box. From this contextual menu click on Format Shape, and within this format shape go to the text options where you will find two categories. That is, the first one is the text fill and the text outline. So expand this text fill, click on solid fill and select the blue color or the color which you are required, and make this color 100% transparent. It will look like this. The second part is the text outline. For the text outline, increase the width of the outline. So let's say I am increasing the width to 3 points, right? And then close this format shape window. Now let me apply a dark background color. So for that I will go to design and I will click on format background and I will select a black color. So now you can see that the neon effect has been added, right? There is also one font which is called Neon Lights. Let me show you. If I say Neon Lights, this is a neon light font. If you want this specific font, so you will not find it in your PowerPoint. You need to download and install. How you can do that? Go to your web browser and open this website which is called thefont.com. Within this search bar write neon light and click on search. So you will find two fonts available for neon. Just click on download button. A zip file will be downloaded and you will find .ttf file. You need to copy that file and paste in the fonts folder within the control panel and then restart the application. So then you will having this neon font available in your Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint application. So I hope you like this technique, that how to add neon effect to the text. Thank you.